Hey guys, it's Cassie. Here's another Vlogmas video. I'm about to go get lunch and go for a hike. I'm so excited to eat this. I love capriottis because they have like vegan meat as well as regular, but I usually get the vegan turkey. But the girl suggested that I would try the vegan chicken cheesesteak. So I'm gonna try that, I guess. Maybe it'll be my new thing. And I just wanna say, she spelt my name Cassy. Classic mistake. Okay, I just got to Exploration Peak Point. It's located in Southwest Vegas. It's in Mountain's Edge. I actually used to live over here, like right across the street from here, so it's definitely nice coming back. I used to love to come here because there's actually grass here, which is really hard to find in Vegas. So apparently this hike turned into a mukbang. I'm about halfway up the hill, but I think I'm just gonna stop here for today because it's already getting pretty dark and I don't want to get in trouble. And I'm really hungry. That's good. The pink napkins. Danielle at Capriotti's on Blue Diamond by Target. You know what you're talking about. This is really good. I think I still like the turkey one the best, but this is good. I used to live across the street, but I'm definitely a lot more happy in the place that I'm at now by the Strip. But I'll always have love for this area, like Mountain's Edge, because I mean I lived here for a year. Like this was my first home in Vegas, so I'll always hold a place in my heart. There's couples taking cringy pictures over there with the sunset. And I'm over here having a mukbang. So, whatever that tells you about me, there you go. Alright, I'm gonna head back down. Okay, finally at the bottom. It is 51 degrees out, but it really doesn't feel that bad, I guess, because I've been walking. Bunny! Bunnies! Oh my god, they're so cute! So I was following the bunnies and now I don't know where the track is. Am I actually Alice in Wonderland? What else do you do in a park? I made it back to the car before it got pitch black. Damn it, it's cold outside in these mountains. I'm ready to get back to the strip. I'm kind of dreading this drive back home. It's gonna take me like 20 minutes, maybe 30 with traffic. But that sunset, worth it. Those bunnies, worth it. Danielle, my girl, that sandwich, you the Capriotti queen. Forgot how much I hate driving around here. I mean, if you're not sitting at a stoplight for at least 5 minutes, you better go put some money in the slot because you got lucky. Well, that concludes this episode of Vlogmas. Please give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want. Bye.